Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your data, so back up now to iCloud, Google, or a computer. Once done, charge the phone above 50% and power it off to avoid shorts during inspection. You then perform a soft reset and boot into safe mode to check whether an app or software glitch creates the green line. If the line disappears in safe mode, uninstall recent apps and update the OS. If it remains, move to physical checks. You carefully open the device, remove the case and SIM tray, and use the correct 0.81 2mm screwdrivers. Keep screws organized. Next, inspect the display connector and ribbon cable for kinks, corrosion, or debris, because a loose or dirty connection often causes color lines. Clean contact pads with 90% plus isopropyl on a lint-free swab, let dry. Then firmly reseat the connector. You reassemble the phone carefully, tightening screws evenly and avoiding over-tightening that can stress the display. Once assembled, make sure the OS and display firmware are updated, run a calibration or pixel test app, and only then consider a factory reset if software still seems likely. If the green line persists after all these steps, test with an external display or swap in a known good screen or display module. If that still fails, contact a professional repair service. That troubleshooting tip will save time and money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.